It's a dangerous world out there, with threats like car accidents, tornadoes, and tigers killing people every day. And yet there are even more dangers in the microscopic world that surrounds us, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Luckily, our immune system employs many effective players to defend us, such as lymphocytes, which include B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. Lymphocytes are key players in this cell-to-cell combat, using natural killer cells to release toxins into antigens, prompting them to undergo apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Natural killer cells are part of the immune system's innate response and patrol the body looking for cells that are lacking the protein MHC1, or major histocompatibility complex, which healthy cells contain on its surface, but foreign cells don't have. They can also kill tumor cells and cells infected by viruses, also finding them by the lack of the MHC1 protein, which they lose when they mutate. You could think of natural killer cells as the security team at a high-end party. They wander about and keep watch and make sure that everyone at the party is supposed to be there. If a guest loses their invitation or an uninvited visitor shows up without one, they come over and throw them out. Lymphocytes produce antibodies, initially created by B cells to neutralize antigens. They fit the exact shape of each individual antigen and prevent the cells from binding to tissues and organs, as the binding sites are all covered. They also slow them down and mark them as targets. Certain T and B cells go on to become memory cells and keep some antibodies in case the same antigen reappears, in which case they would fill the body with the correct antibody before too much damage is caused. B cells could be likened to Google and antibodies compared to search suggestions. The first time you look something up, you have to type in the full sentence. Later, though, when you search it in again, Google will recognize what you are writing and automatically fill in the search bar with your last question, which is like an antigen, saving you time. Lymphocytes control the whole immune system using chemicals called cytokines to direct other cells. Without communication to other parts of the immune system, or without one division keeping charge, the body's defenses would be in chaos. They also keep the body tolerant to its self-antigens and prevent the body from mistaking its own cells for invaders and attacking them. A third role of helper T cells is to stimulate other cells and prevent body cells from dying when they are needed most. Helper T cells are similar to a construction foreman, as their three main jobs are almost exactly the same. They coordinate plans and organize projects, keep the team working, and break up conflicts or disagreements between the men. It's for these jobs that lymphocytes are so important and why we should thank them for the time we spend healthy. We owe our lymphocytes our lives, or at least the fact that we are not constantly in quarantine. It's lymphocytes that save today and lymphocytes that keep the doctor away.